Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here we discuss about forex trading strategies through automation robots, automation trading. And those who are viewing my video for the first time, let me quickly recap what does forex trading do. In forex trading, when we exchange one currency against the other one on a server on a platform called MetaTrader or maybe any other server, when we buy or sell, we gain income out of that if we are on the right direction. If we are buying this, we are selling this. If we are selling this, we are buying this. Okay, so it happens in the currency pairs only, one against each other. And we are reviewing our robot ILKs for the third week. We have already been reviewed this robot for 2 weeks. I have been reviewing and testing various robots and will and bringing you the most profitable robots for you. And these are not my recommendation, but this is just about the finding that I'm sharing it with you. Okay, so this is for the third week that we'll be reviewing. And before showing the live account, let me tell you something about it. Those who are viewing for the first time, this works on live strategies, on live indicators like MACD, STR, EMA, and all these indicators to open and close the orders. And it is complete auto trading. You just have to set it up once and it will open and close the trade itself. But your computer should be opened all the all the time, because if your MetaTrader is closed, then it may not open, it may not be able to open new trades. Okay, so either you should go for a VPS or keep your computer 24/7 on. It can works with any minimum balance, but I would recommend at least 600 US dollars. It is a multi-currency robot, but what I have tested and found that it works best with euro pairs, and I would highly recommend euro USD to start with. It open and close the trades itself. It works on all time zones. Just set it and forget it. And the past profitability ratio that I have shown, this is the kind of profitability that it has provided. Even it's more, but I'm just showing you this. But again, I would suggest that the current profitability and the past profitability doesn't mean that you will gain the same profitability in future, because the market conditions are different. Market is changing every day. News, every new news, every new data, so that keeps on changing, and also the economy of the world in this pandemic. Okay, so let's go to the here. Let's see. Okay, so these are the current trades that are going on currently. uh, this is the price and this is the TP, so that is pretty close. I hope and I'm pretty much sure that it will close, because it is pretty close. Okay, and now those who are viewing my video for the first time, let me show you that I have started this robot, testing of this robot on 24th of August. Okay, with a balance of 200 US dollars. This is a demo account, but that is live, but this is live. Okay, you can see the all the live things. And uh, robot doesn't differentiate that whether you have a real account or a demo account. Okay, in the real account, I have reviewed the robot for the first week from my real account, but just because of since I used to withdraw from my account time to time, so I mean, so there would be no exact profitability that I can show you. But this is what I can, because here in demo account I don't have to withdraw or deposit again. Okay, because uh, if the account is lost, I will not show you the same robot again, because I will not show you the losing robots. This robot has been consistent for the third week, and that I am showing you right now. So let's see. It started with 200 US dollars on 24th of August, and let's see how it goes. So guys, don't go for the minimum balance that I'm talking about. Minimum balance is nothing. You can start with $100, $150, $200. But guys, in forex, there are certain spikes that can happen anytime. So don't believe in minimum balance. Just if you want to earn in forex, do your best, whatever the balance that you can afford. In real account, I've traded with 1000 US dollars just to keep myself safe. And I just started with 200 US dollars this account, just to see whether it works on low balance account or not. But in low balance account, sometimes the drawdown would be very much, okay, because it is not just one trade. Like if you see, even in any single day, see, just for one day, see on 27th, if we talk about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 21 22 23, almost 20 to 22 to 23 trades it has placed, right? So it can be very dangerous if your account balance is low. It doesn't happen all the time, because it doesn't mean that it will open the same number of uh, trades every day. It can be more, it can be less as well. But if your equity balance is low, say I'm talking about say you started with 200 US dollars, and while opening the trade it reaches minus 100, right? Minus 100 here, it doesn't mean that you are losing minus 100. It is something that is floating as a drawdown, that how below your account has gone. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you lost that 100 US dollar. Drawdown is something that how low it has gone. So it has gone like, so for example, for a 200 US dollar, it gone up to minus 100. So it means 50% drawdown. So why are you taking that much of risk if you really want to earn in forex? And what if your account balance was 100, and if the account reaches minus 100, so you lost all the amount, right? So it is always better to have a higher equity balance, because these days there are certain spikes, huge spikes, and fake rallies also, right? That doesn't respect the fundamentals and technicals. Those are fake rallies and huge spikes. And if you, even if your market orders, your trading orders are in right direction, but a certain spike can lose you the whole amount. So why are you taking that much of risk? Try to have the maximum that you can afford. I would suggest at least 500 to 600 at least. And if you can afford, then you can do it. I would suggest rather 1000 US dollars to start with. If you have if you want to earn something better, start with something better, because I would never suggest you to start with $100 or 200 US dollars. If you want to do it on cent account, then that is great, because 100 US dollars cent account, that is equivalent to 10,000 US cents, right? So you can trade it on cent account also. But in standard account, I would rather suggest you more than 500 to 600, ideally 1000, but whatever you can afford in between, that would be better. Okay. Don't go by the word what is the minimum. Minimum is nothing. Minimum is like 200 US dollar, or maybe 100 also, but there are high chances that you will lose that amount, because until and unless you are trading it manually. If you want to trade manually with 100 or 200, that is good. But if you are doing it through forex, I mean through auto trading, then it is always better to have a better balance. And in manual also, you should have right skills, right strategies, right approach, and the right discipline to manage with that particular amount. Because to earn from $100 may be very slow, and maybe sometimes profitable, sometimes not, but you will learn a lot of things if you are doing it manually. If you're going through auto trading, then I would suggest for this robot at least, ideally 1000. If not, then at least 600, I would suggest. I mean, I don't mind if you want to start with 100 or 200 US dollars. I started with 200 US dollars, and it has given me excellent profit, right? In just 3 weeks, it has given me a profit of 376. From 200, I have grown to 576. That is almost close to 600. Almost 3 times I have done in just 3 weeks. But that doesn't mean that I will get the same result again and again, because the market conditions are different, and the market is changing, economic data is changing. uh, so in case if you're interested in this robot, you can email me enjoywealthylife@gmail.com, or you can connect with me on Telegram at dpntfx for free.